Hey there, this is Alicia from Quick and Delish. Today I'd like to share with you a couple tips about meal planning with a recipe bonus. Okay, so a couple things about meal planning that I get excited about is when I have the right containers. So check out these containers right here. These are some nice glass containers. And what's cool about these is they are usually better than plastic. And there's a couple kinds of, two different types of lids basically. These are the ones that I'm going to show you. These are the kinds that it's a little bit harder to get on. You have to use more force. And I want to show you my favorite type of container with its lid. Okay, so it's the same bottom, but these guys are way easy. Favorite kinds of containers for meal prepping, and I'll put these straight into the freezer and then put a label on them when I made them, what they are, and then I have lunch and dinner ready to go. This dish is Thai style meatballs, which is in the video down there entitled Meatballs 3 Ways. In that video, there are 3 recipes for 3 different meatballs and a tomato sauce recipe. Okay, so there's also these roasted sweet potatoes with Chinese 5 spice. And so these are super easy to do. And I actually roasted both of these in 1 hour. I did the prep and then the roasting in 1 hour total. And that was super quick. And so I want to show you a really quick vegetable salad to make with this dish. And I want to show off my kitchen scissors. And you could use some sort of, cabbage slaw mix. So I'm just gonna add about half the package. So I added about 1.5 cups of broccoli slaw or 1.5 cups of coleslaw mix. And then I'm just gonna add 3/4 to a whole cup of shredded carrot. Super easy. You can shred your own carrots, surely, but this is super helpful to have carrots ready to go. I'm gonna add some black beans. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna add a pinch of sea salt, some ground pepper, and I'm gonna go with teaspoon and a half of olive oil, extra virgin, and I'm using apple cider vinegar today because it's nice and bright. That was 2 teaspoons approximately. So you could add fresh cilantro, you could add apple, you could add Asian pear. I like adding fruit to my salad. I know some people don't like fruit in their salad. There's 2 types of people. People that like fruit in their salad and people that don't. So I do wish I had some cilantro in here, but I want to show you how fast this was to make the salad. You could add more black beans. You can add chickpeas, whatever kind of bean you like to add. And I'm gonna give this a taste. So good. Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna serve this on the side. This is super fun. There we have it. Thai style meatballs. Go check out the video. Roasted sweet potatoes with Chinese 5 spice and a super quick slaw with black beans, apple cider vinegar, and some broccoli slawness with some shredded carrot. So the last thing I want to share with you are other types of containers that I like for a meal prep. So I'll make soups and stews or overnight oats or even just like Greek yogurt and fruit. And I like to use these wide mouth mason jars or bell jars. The reason why I like the wide mouth jars is because they're easier to clean. I can actually get my hand in there and they're easy to eat out of. Like this one is really awesome. And this is 2 cups and it looks smaller than it really is. And so you could eat out of it much easier than you can a regular mouth jar. There's wide mouth and regular. But the regular ones aren't called regular, they just are in the original. So this one is also helpful. And I wanted to show this funnel. So it's a super cool funnel for when you're serving soup say if you have 6 jars and you have soup and you're going to freeze the jars of soup for the future or stews or whatever. So you ladle the soup into the jars with this funnel and it doesn't make a mess everywhere. How amazing is that? This is so cool, and it's just this silly piece of plastic that is so cool. So there you have it. Some ideas for meal planning, one recipe idea to pull the trigger on and see if you like it. Well, thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear what your favorite containers are. And if you have any other ideas about meal planning, I'd love to hear them. Until next time, this is Alicia from Quick and Delish signing out. Don't forget to subscribe and share, because then you get more of these awesome videos.